Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Service Family Nutrition Program, and this week we're going to make cheesy broccoli and ranch smashed potatoes. For this recipe, you need 3 medium-sized potatoes, 1½ cups of frozen broccoli, 3/4 of a cup of reduced fat shredded cheddar cheese, 6 tablespoons of reduced fat ranch salad dressing, 3/4 of a cup of low fat or skim milk, salt and pepper to taste, and I have some extra cheese to put on as a topping. Before we start cooking, you want to wash your hands and clean your cooking area. I've already done that, so I'm ready to get started. I picked potatoes that had a nice soft skin because a lot of the vitamins and minerals and fiber are in this skin, so I don't want to peel it off. I've got my 3 potatoes in my dish, and I'm going to add my frozen broccoli right on top. Then I've got a lid for my microwave safe dish so that when I put this in the microwave, it's going to steam and cook everything. So this goes in the microwave for 12 minutes on high. I just took my potatoes and broccoli out of the microwave. I made sure I had hot pads to take it out of the microwave, and I've got a hot pad to remove the lid, and there's going to be some steam that comes up from our broccoli and potatoes. I'm gonna stick a fork in my potatoes and make sure they're nice and tender. So I think I'm ready to go. And what we're gonna do is take a potato masher and mash up our potatoes and broccoli all together. This is the fun part. Clean that off and get in there. Okay, once everything is all mashed up, we're going to add our 3/4 of a cup of low-fat shredded cheddar cheese. Might need a little help getting that out. And those hot potatoes and broccoli are going to melt that cheese and just make it delicious. Mix that all in there. Then we're going to add our reduced fat ranch, 6 tablespoons. And our 3/4 of a cup of low fat or skim milk. And I'm gonna mix this all up, make sure the cheese is all melted and that our potatoes and our broccoli all get mixed together. And basically this is just making a sauce for our potatoes. I'm gonna add a pinch of fresh ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. And I'm going to save my cheese for my own personal topping. Keep mixing this around. And get a little scoop with potatoes and broccoli and cheese. Sprinkle a little more cheese on top. And give it a try. That is delicious. Just like mashed potatoes, but with the added broccoli and the ranch dressing, just really brings it up a notch. Thank you so much for cooking with us this week, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.